guys, welcome back to another video. As you saw in the title, we are going to be doing just some fishing. Now we both have some baby shad in the water, some dead shad, just in case a big fish wants to bite. And yeah, we're just going to be fishing off the dock. So without further ado, I'll put you on the GoPro and here we go. I'm stuck on a reed. Oh, there's a bite. That was a good bite. Oh, there's one. There's one. Come over here. Come over here. Come over here. Pull up the line. Pull up the line. That's a good. That's a good. Get him up here. Pull him up. Pull him up. Get him up here. Get him up here. Oh, there we go. That's what I'm talking about. Y'all were talking 1.5 to 2 pounds. Finally. Come on, bub.
They fight so hard in this pond.
Yeah, but he was taking drag. I have to figure out how I'm going to take the hook out. Hey. Alright guys, so I got this good bass, probably about 1.5 to 2 pounds. Goodness, he is a flopper.
And the hook is out.
But we got the hook out just because he flopped. But yeah guys, that's a 1.5 pounder. I'll come over here and come back.
There we go.
There we go guys. Good fish, let's keep going. Alright guys, I don't know if you saw it because the camera is acting funny, but we got this guy, probably about 2.5 pounds. He really bit it, barely even in there. Yeah guys, I was like, I'm not losing this fish.
Okay guys, so Seth has got a snapping turtle.
Alright guys, so I threw the shad in, and Austin noticed my line was sort of pulling out. And yeah guys, we got the old snapper. He keeps running back in the water. Alright guys, good catch. I guess if you want to catch snapping turtles, I guess use some of that baby shad. This is what I use. We're about to get some needle nose pliers and pull them out. But yeah guys, anyway, we got a good catch right here. Oh shoot. Well, that's one way to do it. Alright guys, so yeah, after that great day of fishing, we do have to do the Bible time. So Austin's going to read, this one's coming out of 1 Peter 4:16.
However, if you suffer as a Christian, do not be ashamed, but praise God that you bear that name.
So basically what's that saying is that if you're like living out a life of God and you're praising Jesus and someone is like mean to you or shames you, or even back in the biblical times they would kill you if you're in a certain place. If that does happen, then just keep living the life of God because you're doing it for Him, so you don't have to be ashamed by it.
because you're doing it for the right thing. So hey guys, anyway, I hope you enjoyed that awesome video, and we will catch you guys next time. Have a great day. God bless. Catch you next video.